In other news, authorities are investigating another alleged multi-million peso investment scam. Victims claim they were duped of about 40 million pesos. This report.
Victims of another alleged investment scam rushed to CIDG NCR in Kamkrame using beauty products as their front of their so-called business. Victims are pointing to a certain Melanie Torralba as the one who is behind the scam and reportedly had Lanel's Direct Sales International. Suspects promised to her investors a monthly 20% interest of their investment, and during the third month, the principal investment will be given back, which did not happen.
Effective kasi yung product, kaya yun yung ginagamit niya na paraan para maka-encourage ng mga mag-i-invest. Bale, na epekto na sa yung product, sabihin niya na meron siyang investment na ganito, na binibigyan niya ng 30%. Depende sa kung anong gusto niyang rate na ibigay.
According to the complainants, the illegal activity is not only being performed here in Metro Manila but also to other parts of the country such as Cebu. Torralba reportedly took away about 40 million pesos from her victims in the National Capital Region alone, as some investors allegedly put their entire retirement pay for the said investment.
Sa Cavite, naloko siya. Ang nakuhang pera, yung retirement pay. Mo, isang matandang babae, sa PAL, it's a PAL employee na nag-retire, yung retirement na nakuha niya, ininvest na dun sa panel. Kawawa naman yung matanda, di ba?
At present, Lanel's office in BF Homes Parañaque is already closed, and that the suspect is already nowhere to be found who may face charges of large-scale estafa. In line with this, CIDG NCR calls on other victims of the scam to come out in the open and formally file the necessary complaint so that the case against Torralba becomes more stronger as she may be put behind bars.
Pagtulungan natin na makahikayat pa ng complainant. At kung may picture ba kayo para as early as now, may publish na natin para ma-preempt na natin. Baka may mga pang pagbago ba.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltasar.